A Dubai apartment can be advertised as 7% rental yield. After realistic cost, that return can fall to approximately 5.3%. That doesn't mean the property is overpriced. It means the brochure hasn't answered a real question. Does this investment justify its price? 3 numbers will tell you. The first is what comparable apartments actually sold for. Say an 850 square feet apartment is listed at 1.5 million dirham. That is approximately 1700 dirham per square feet. On its own, that number means almost nothing. You need registered transactions, not other listings. A listing is what seller hopes to get. A registered transaction is what was recorded as paid. Look for the same building, the same bedroom count, and a size within approximately 10%. Ideally use transactions from last 3 to 6 months. Then adjust for what genuinely affects value. A high floor apartment with an open view isn't the same as the low floor apartment facing construction. And never compare an off-plan payment plan price directly with the ready property's cash price. That payment plan has financial value, and it is often already included in the price. Say 5 comparable apartments were sold for 1.35 million dirham. Yours is 1.5 million dirham. Don't just walk away here. Ask, what justifies additional 150,000 dirhams? A better view or a layout might. But prices are going up, doesn't? The second number is where brochures can become misleading. Your real net rental yield. Return to the same apartment. The annual rent is 105,000 dirhams. Divide that by 1.5 million dirham and you get 7%. That is the attractive number placed in the presentation. But your investment doesn't stop at 1.5 million dirham. Add the 4% DLD fee, 2% agency commission, trustee fee, and administrative charges. In our example, that adds approximately 96,000 dirhams. Your total acquisition cost is now closer to 1.596 million dirham. Then come the annual expenses. Assume the service charge is 17 dirham per square feet. That is approximately 14,450 dirham a year. Now allow a combined 5% of the rent for maintenance and periods without a tenant. That is another 5,250 dirhams. Under these assumptions, 105,000 dirham in gross rent becomes approximately 85,000 dirham in estimated net annual income. Divide that by the total amount invested. The advertised 7% becomes approximately 5.3%. Your results would differ. You might also pay for property management, your service charge could be lower, or your vacancy rate could be higher. This isn't Dubai market average. This is an illustrative method for calculating what an investment could actually produce. Even a strong net yield today does not guarantee an easy resale tomorrow. That brings us to the third number. Who would be competing with you when you sell? Say you buy 1-bedroom apartment in a project dominated by investors. At handover, a large number of nearly identical units could enter the market simultaneously. Some owners will want tenants immediately, others may need to sell to cover their remaining payments. If 10 apartments share your same layout and a view, then buyers have a leverage, not you. Don't only ask how many homes Dubai is building. Ask how many competing homes are completing in your building and its immediate surroundings. Check the number of matching listings already online. Then use the Dubai Land Department's project status service to examine nearby developments, their construction progress, and when they are expected to complete. A city-wide supply forecast cannot price your apartment. Your direct competition can. So is the property overpriced? You need 3 answers. What did comparable properties actually sell for? How much income would you keep after the realistic cost? And how much competition could you face when you sell? A beautiful apartment could still be a poor investment. Not because there is something wrong with it, but because the numbers never justified the price. If you want Dubai property explained with data, not the sales pitch, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.